Hello, people! Today we are coming back to this fabulous game, Find the Gnomes. This will be part 3 of our gnome adventure. And yeah, today we'll just be exploring. So let's look at our map here. This is where we left off. And today we'll be exploring the volcano, the mountain, basically everywhere. Let's start with the mountain, guys. Let's go. Look at this. So how do we get up here is my question. We gotta find all 55 before the new update. Because I want to, every time there's an update, I want to make a new vid. Let's see. Wait a minute. Oh, no. Bro. Ooh. Something in here. There's something in here. Wait, what the? Huh? How do we get up there? What? Do we not? What? Do we just have to be really good at parkour? What gnome is that anyway? Gotta look. Look for something that looks pink. Like, what? Where is that one, guys? Huh. You guys also see that? Wait, ghost gnome. Oh, wait, no. Do not reverse. How do we get up there? Is that even... Is there like a whole... Huh. That's difficult. Wait a minute. How do we get that? That is really weird. We'll come back to that because that's kind of... Wait a minute. What's up there? Wait a minute. How do we... There's got to be some sort of way. There's got to be like something in the wall. Anything, something. All right, let's just continue going up, I guess. Oh! I guess we found out how. What the... What? What is it? Oh. What is this, guys? This is crazy. What? It's like a... I don't even... What is over there? Like a molten gnome? That'd be a cool one if they don't have that already. Yeah, we gotta go this way. I don't know what that pillar's over there for. Oh. Bro, I need a carpet. Nah, but I'm not gonna cheat. I'm gonna get these all fair and square. Do. Let's do it. Oh, crap. We can do it. We can do it. Yes. What's this? The evil gnome. That's an epic. Do we like to see that? Oh, God. We gotta scale again. Oh, well. Wait a minute. We were just in the mountain. Alright, let's just keep going up. But we got an epic. So that's a plus. But we do have to go back and get the ghost gnome. It's really quick. So let's go do that. Make sure we're correct. Yep, we are. Jump up here. And I'm pretty sure it's like right up. Oh, yep, right here. And then yoink. Ghost gnome. Sick. But no, stop. What? Why does it keep giving me rebirth? Alright, let's keep going up because we haven't actually gone to the top yet. And I have a really good feeling there's something up there that's going to be really cool. So don't go there. Alright. We know not to go in there, but there's got to be like... Wait, is there any more ladder at all? Or is that... It's at the end of the mountain. Oh, look at these little player fellas. Guys, look right here. Guys. Okay. They'll never know. I think that's it for the. Wait a minute. What the? Huh? Wait a minute. Wait. Oh. I don't know why I didn't think to go over here. Oh. Oh, wait. That's a gift. We don't need those. Hey. I guess we just keep. All right. Hoop. And jump, 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 jump. Down. Oh. Up more. I think we gotta get a gnome right here. The orange gnome, baby. Is there like a cloud gnome? Anything? Just making sure while I'm up here. Anything at all in those clouds? No. Alright. We might be done with the mountain. For now, I'm gonna leave the mountain, but now we go to the volcano! Alright. Oh. I don't know what I thought I was gonna do. But, alright, come on. Let's do this. What do you guys think is gonna be in the volcano? I'm hoping for like a lava gnome or like a molten gnome or something along those lines. Almost walking there. Is it wait. It's getting bigger the more we go. Oh no. I can already tell what's gonna happen here. Wait a minute. Bruh. We have to die to. We'll get that another time. Like on our way down or something. Bro. We're getting a little tight here. A little tight. The golden gnome! Yeah! It's nice, bro. I've been looking for the golden gnome. That's sick. Alright, now we can get this guy right here. Alright. Aw, poor guy. Wait, so where are the other 15? Let's see. Found. Not found. He's asleep on a bench. Bench. I mean, you think? Wait a minute. Is it right there? How did I not get that? Hey, alright. Found. Wait, not found. He's hanging from a tree. There's quite a few trees. I guarantee we've passed them before. Wait a minute, do we have that? I think we should, right? The dark blue kind of gnome thing. Find the hanging gnome. He's like hanging from a tree or something. Just look under these trees. No. I'm gonna throw this out there. Who knows where hanging gnome is? I just want to find out. Because you'd think I'd have it, because it was like one of the first, it looks like. Wait! That was the guy we saw in the last episode. Remember, he's like flying across the map. That guy's just weird. Also, I don't know why some of these accessories are like gray. They're not supposed to. Hanging from a tree. It's not very specific. think I have this already, right? I better. Yeah. Hanging from a tree. It's not. There's a lot of trees. Could be that one over there. I'm thinking, like, not. I can't like directly. You don't know, but I know. Hanging from a tree. Let's check our timer. Alright, we're gonna end it soon. Wait a minute. Did we ever even? What the? We never even. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is probably where he is or something. Right? There's something in here. Sketchy. Sketchy. That's all. Oh, wait, no. Is this like a. Oh. What's this? Button. What do it do? So. Just looking to see if there's any hints. No. I don't know. There's gotta be something. There's really nothing. There's no gnome. Yeah, I guess, I don't know, guys. That's really weird. Wait, where's the tree I was looking at? Oh, right here? Bro, where is this gnome? There is no hanging gnome. Does the hanging gnome even exist? Or, like... It's gotta be. There's more in the ice maze. I don't know, because, like, there's the frozen gnome. There's, like, all these gnomes that I didn't find yet. Like, all the places you don't go. Just gotta look everywhere that is not the way. This is just weird. Check over here, check right here, check right here. See, I've done this before though. I've checked everything. Here. Check over here. Check this, check that, check this, check that. Oh! Got him! But I know there's more in here though. There is more in here. There's like at least one more. The Snowy Mountain. Bro, what Snowy Mountain cave? There's. I don't see a cave. Alright, we're gonna go to the top of this, see if we can find a cave, and then that's gonna be the end. If we find the cave, then that's the end. We'll investigate a little bit, and then we're gonna leave, because I don't know anything else. How the hell did they get up there? Don't mind my language, but like, what the frickle, frackle? Alright. Up here? Wait, we saw this before, but we never got to, like, you know, actually get up here. I feel like we're gonna end it after this guy. Alright, we got the Santa gnome. Let's just check one more thing. There's a cave like anywhere. Because I don't know what they mean by cave. My confusion. Is that the snowy mountain over there, or is this the snowy mountain over here? Because I don't see a cave over here, but there might be a cave over there. But that's going to be the end for the third episode. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.